Dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel Chem Origin. This is Dr. Satish Kumar. Students, in the last video module, that is video module number 11, we discussed detailedly the colligative property elevation in the boiling point. Elevation in the boiling point. So students, in this present video module, I would like to discuss some numerical problems on the concept of elevation in the boiling point. So based on the elevation in the boiling point, we can solve some numerical problems. Now students, let us start our class. Students, the first numerical problem on elevation in the boiling point is the boiling point. The boiling point of a solution of 0.1050 grams of a substance in 15.84 grams of ether was found to be 0.1 degree centigrade higher than that of pure ether. What is the molecular mass of the substance? So students, in the given problem, the substance, that is the non-volatile solute, the solute mass is given as a 0.1050 grams and the solvent is ether. Ether is the solvent in the given problem and the mass of the ether is given as a 15.84 grams. And also the elevation in the boiling point, the 0.1050 grams of solute is dissolved in 15.84 grams of ether. The elevation in the boiling point is identified as a 0.1 degree centigrade. Now we should find the molecular mass of the substance, that is nothing but molecular mass of the solute we should find from the given problem. And also students, in the problem, the given molecular elevation constant of ether per 100 gram is given as a 21.6. Now first we should write the given problem. Students, the given problem, this is the given problem. So here we can write the given problem, students. So this is our given problem. This is the problem number 1. So students, this is our problem number 1. So students, in this problem, the substance, that is solute is 0.1050 grams and the solvent mass is 15.84 grams. Now we can solve this problem. So solution for the given problem. Solution for the given problem. First students, we should write the given data. Given mass of the substance, that is mass of the solute. Given mass of the substance, that is nothing but WA, students. WA, mass of the solute, WA is given as a 0.1050 grams. Similarly students, mass of the solvent. So in the present problem, the solvent is ether. So mass of the solvent, that is mass of the ether, that is nothing but WB, mass of the ether, WB is given as a 15.84 grams. 15.84 grams is the mass of the ether. And also students, the elevation in the boiling point is also given in the problem. So given elevation in the boiling point, is given as a elevation in the boiling point, that equals to 0.1 degree centigrade. The elevation in the boiling point is given as a 0.1 degree centigrade. And also students, the molecular elevation constant of ether is also given in the problem. So given molecular elevation constant of ether. So students, this is nothing but K dash. That molecular elevation constant. K dash is given as a 21.6. 21.6 is the molecular elevation constant. Now we should find the molecular mass of the substance. that is nothing but the molecular mass of the solute. Molecular mass of the substance should be found by the given data. So we should found the MA for the present problem. For the given problem we should found the MA. Students, in the last video module, that is video module 11, we saw three equations for the calculation of elevation in the boiling point. In that, so students, you can remember the equation 3, the equation number 3. This is our equation. Elevation in the boiling point is equals to delta TB is equals to 1000 into kb into WA by MA into 1 by WB. But students, here molecular elevation constant is given. So students, in case of molecular elevation constant, the formula for elevation in the boiling point is delta TB is equals to 100 into K dash into WA by MA into 1 by WB. Students, so from this equation we should calculate the molecular mass of the substance, that is nothing but MA. Therefore students, we can write the above equation like this. That implies we can write like this, students. That implies MA is equals to, that implies we can write like this, students. So MA is equals to that implies MA is equals to 1000 into K dash into WA by delta TB into 1 by WB. So the K dash value is given in the problem, WA is also given in the problem, delta TB, that is nothing but elevation in the boiling point. Elevation in the boiling point also given, and WB is given. So you can substitute all the given values in the above equation. We get MA. We get, students, MA is equals to 100 into K dash. Given K dash is 21.6 into WA by delta TB. Given WA is 0.1050 divided by delta TB, that is nothing but elevation in the boiling point, 0.1 into 1 by WB, and the given WB mass of the ether is 15.84 grams. 15.84 grams. Therefore students, that implies MA is equals to, we can calculate this, students. MA is equals to, now we can do 100 into 21.6, that equals to 2160 into 0.1050. We get 226.8 divided by 0.1 we get 2268 divided by 15.84. Now we get molecular mass of the substance as 143 point, now we get 143.81. 1 minute, students, we can check one more time. 100 into 21.6, that equals to 2160 into 0.1050, that equals to 226.8 divided by 0.1, that equals to 2268 divided by 15.84. now we get 143.1818. Therefore 143.181 is the molecular mass of the substance. Molecular mass of the substance is 143.181. Therefore students, we can write, therefore the molecular mass of the substance, therefore students, we can write, therefore we can write the molecular mass of the substance is equals to 143.181 grams. Okay students, So students, I hope you understood this problem clearly. Dear students, next problem on elevation in the boiling point is an aqueous solution of glucose containing 12 grams dissolved in 100 grams of water was found to be boiled at 100.34 degrees centigrade, while the boiling point of pure water was 100 degrees centigrade. Calculate the molar elevation constant for water. So students, in this problem, glucose is the solute whose mass is given as a 12 grams and water is the solvent whose mass is given as a 100 grams, and the boiling point of the solution is given as a 100.34 degrees centigrade and boiling point of pure water is given as a 100 degrees centigrade. Now we can calculate the molar elevation constant for the solvent water. Now students, we can write first the given problem. The given problem is this is our problem number 2. So students, this is our problem number 2. So students, an aqueous solution of glucose whose mass is 12 grams is dissolved in 100 grams of water. So students, we can write mass of the solute. In the above problem, solute is glucose. So given mass of the glucose, that is the solute, that is nothing but WA is equals to 12 grams. WA is given as a 12 grams, and mass of the water, that is mass of the solvent, mass of the water is given as a 100 grams. Mass of the water is given as a 100 grams. And students, the boiling point of the solution is given in this problem. So given the boiling point of the solution after dissolving the glucose in water. So the boiling point of the glucose solution is given as a 100.34 degrees centigrade. 100.34 degrees centigrade is the given boiling point of the solution. Similarly students, the boiling point of the solvent, that is nothing but pure water, is also given. So given the boiling point of the water, pure water, that is nothing but boiling point of the solvent is given as a 100 degrees centigrade. 100 degrees centigrade. Now we should find the molar elevation constant of water. So students, here we should find the molar elevation constant of water. Molar elevation constant of water we should calculate in this problem. So that is nothing but Kb. Molar elevation constant. Molar elevation constant is Kb. So we should find the Kb value in the given problem. And the molecular mass of the glucose. Students, in the given problem, molecular mass of the glucose is also given. That is nothing but Ma. Molecular mass of the solute is given as a 180 grams per mole. 180 grams per mole is the molecular mass of the glucose. Now students, here you can see the boiling point of the solution and the boiling point of the solvent is given. Now we can calculate elevation in the boiling point. Elevation in the boiling point is nothing but students, elevation in the boiling point, is equals to, that is delta TB is equals to boiling point of solution minus boiling point of solvent. Therefore that equals to 100.34 minus 100.34 degrees centigrade minus 100 degrees centigrade minus 100 degrees centigrade. So students, 100.34 degrees centigrade minus 100.34 degrees centigrade, we get 0.34 degrees centigrade. 0.34 degrees centigrade is the elevation in the boiling point, delta TB. Now students, we know the elevation in the boiling point formula. Students, in the video module 11, we find the elevation in the boiling point in case of molar elevation constant, that is delta TB is equals to delta TB is equals to 1000 into kb. So elevation in the boiling point is equals to delta TB is equals to 1000 into kb, 1000 into kb into WA by MA into 1 by WB. So students, in the above problem, all the values we know. So you can substitute all the given values in the above problem. Therefore, students, that implies delta TB. So we calculate the delta TB value, students. Delta TB, that is 0.34 degrees centigrade. That is 0.34. Delta TB 0.34 is equals to 0.34 is equals to 1000 into kb, 1000 into kb. So students, here we should calculate the kb value only. Here we should calculate the kb value, that implies 1000 into kb. So 0.34 is equals to 1000 into kb, and the WA is given as a 12 grams. WA is given as a 12 grams, and MA is given as a 180 grams per mole, students. And WB, weight of the water, is given as a 100, 1 by 100. So students, now we can calculate the kb value. Now we can calculate the kb value, that implies 0.34. 0.34 is equals to, you can write like this, students, kb into, students, kb into 1000 into 12. So we can solve this one, students. So 1000 into 12 means 12,000 divided by 180, 180, we get 66.66, 66.66 divided by 100, divided by 100, we get 0.66, 0.66. Therefore students, we get 0.34 equals to kb into 0.66. That implies kb is equals to, that implies kb is equals to 0.34 divided by 0.66. Therefore kb is equals to 0.34 divided by 0.66. Now we can calculate the value. 0.34 divided by 0.66, we get 0.515, 0.515, that equals to 0.515. 0.515 is the molal elevation constant. Therefore the molal elevation constant, therefore molal elevation constant, the molal elevation constant for water, the molal elevation constant for water, we can calculate it as a, the molal elevation constant for water, that is kb, we can calculate it as a 0.515. 0.515 is the molal elevation constant for the water for the given problem. I hope students you understood this problem. Dear students, next problem on elevation in the boiling point concept. So problem number 3. On dissolving 10.8 grams of glucose in 240 grams of water, its boiling point increases by 0.13 degrees centigrade. Calculate the molecular elevation constant of water. So students, in this problem, glucose is our solute whose mass is given as a 10.8 grams, and the solvent is water whose mass is given as a 240 grams, and the elevation in the boiling point is 0.13 degrees centigrade. Now we can calculate the molecular elevation constant of water, that is nothing but k dash. Students, k dash of water should be calculated in the given problem. Now you can write the given problem. So given problem is, first we can write the given problem. This is the given problem. So on dissolving 10.8 grams of glucose whose molecular mass is 180, in 240 grams of water, its boiling point is increases by 0.13 degrees centigrade. 0.13 degrees centigrade. Calculate the molecular elevation constant of water. Now we can write, given mass of the glucose WA is given as a 10.8 grams and mass of the water is given as a 240 grams. 240 grams is the mass of the water. So students, in this problem, the elevation of the boiling point is given. Elevation in the boiling point is given in the problem. So given elevation in the boiling point, students, so elevation in the boiling point, elevation in the boiling point is given as, elevation in the boiling point is equals to 0.13 degrees centigrade. Whenever 10.8 grams of glucose is dissolved in 240 grams of water, elevation in the boiling point is 0.13 degrees centigrade. Now we can calculate the molecular elevation constant, that is nothing but K dash. Molecular elevation constant. Molecular elevation constant. Molecular elevation constant of water, that is nothing but K dash. So students, molecular elevation constant K dash is equals to, we can calculate, and the molecular mass of the glucose is given as a 180. Now students, we know the formula for elevation in the boiling point. So students, from video module 11 we know that delta TB, we know that delta TB is equals to, delta TB is equals to 100 into K dash. Delta TB is equals to 100 into K dash into WA by MA into 1 by WB. Now students, we can substitute all the given values in the above equation. Now delta TB, that is elevation in the boiling point, is 0.13 degree centigrade, and 100 into K dash, 100 into K dash, the K dash should be, we can find in this problem, and the WA, weight of the glucose, is given as a 10.8 grams students, and the molecular mass of the glucose MA is given as a 180, and weight of the water, that is mass of the water, is given as a 240 grams. Now students, we can simplify this one. So students, you can see here, you can cancel the two zeros in 100, from one zero from 180 in the denominator and other zero in 240 in denominator. Now we can calculate students, now we can calculate the value 10.8. 10.8 divided by 18 is equals to 0.6 divided by 24, we get 0.025. Therefore we get like this students, that implies 0.13 is equals to, we get 0.13 is equals to K dash. 0.13 is equals to K dash into 0.025. 0.025. Therefore our desired K dash, that is molecular elevation constant of water, we get K dash is equals to 0.13 divided by 0.025. 0.025. Now on calculation we get students, we get like this, 0.13 divided by 0.025, we get 5.2. Therefore 5.2 is the molecular elevation constant of water. Therefore molecular elevation constant of water, molecular elevation constant of water for the above problem is 5.2. 5.2 is the molecular elevation constant for the given problem. Okay students, I hope you understood this problem clearly. Dear students, next problem on elevation in the boiling point concept. The problem is, a solution of 2.5 grams of non-volatile solid in 100 grams of benzene boiled at 0.42 degrees centigrade, higher than the boiling point of pure benzene. Calculate the molecular mass of the substance. The molar elevation constant of benzene is given as a 2.67 kilograms per mole. So students, we can write the given problem. So students, in the given problem, the mass of the non-volatile solid is 2.5 grams and the solvent is benzene. Benzene is the solvent in this problem whose mass is given as a 100 grams. And also elevation in the boiling point also given in this problem as 0.42 degrees centigrade. Now we can calculate the molecular mass of the substance and the molar elevation constant also given in this problem. Now students, we can write the given problem is the given problem. Students, we can write the given problem is, I think this is our problem number 4. So this is our problem number 4 students. So this is our given problem. A solution of 2.5 grams of non-volatile solid in 100 grams of benzene boiled at 0.42 degrees centigrade, higher than the boiling point of pure benzene. Calculate the molecular mass of the substance, and the molar elevation constant of benzene is 2.67 kilogram per mole. So students, first we can write the given data. Given data for the problem we can write. So solution for the given problem is given mass of the solute, that is non-volatile solid. So mass of the solid, that is nothing but our solute. So given mass of the solid WA is equals to 2.5 grams. 2.5 grams. And the solvent mass of the benzene. So in this problem the solvent is benzene. So students, mass of the benzene WB is given as a 100 grams. 100 grams. And elevation in the boiling point delta TB, elevation in the boiling point is given as a 0.42 degrees centigrade. 0.42 degrees centigrade. And the molar elevation constant. Students, in this problem the molar elevation constant of benzene, molar elevation constant of benzene, so that is nothing but Kb. The molar elevation constant of benzene Kb is given as a Kb is equals to 2.67, and we can found the molecular mass of the non-volatile solid. Molecular mass of the non-volatile solid we should calculate in the given problem. So students, we know from video module 11 the elevation in the boiling point delta TB is equals to 1000 into Kb, 1000 into Kb into WA by MA into 1 by WB. Now students, that implies we can write the given formula like this. Students, we can write the above formula in this manner. We get MA is equals to, that implies we get like this students, MA is equals to, students, MA is equals to 1000 into Kb, 1000 into Kb into WA by delta TB into 1 by WB. Therefore, on substituting all these values, we get the MA value. Therefore, students, MA is equals to, we can calculate 1000 into Kb. So given Kb value is 2.67. Therefore 1000 into, we can write like this, 1000 into 2.67. So 1000 into 2.67 we can write like this students, 1000 into 2.67, and the WA mass of the solid is given as a 2.5 grams, and the given delta TB is equals to 0.42. So students, delta TB is given as a 0.42 is the given delta TB value, 0.42, and the WB is equals to 100 grams. So students, on simplification we get 1000 into 2.67, that equals to 2670 into 2.5, that equals to 6675 divided by 0.42. We get 15892.8 divided by 100, we get 158.92. Therefore student, we get MA is equals to 158.92 grams. Therefore 158.92 grams. So students, we can write therefore molecular mass of the non volatile solid is molecular mass of the solid, non-volatile solid is equals to 158.92 grams. Okay students, I hope you understood this problem clearly. Dear students, next numerical problem on elevation in the boiling point concept is the molar elevation constant for water is 0.56 kg per mole. Calculate the boiling point of solution made by dissolving 6 grams of urea in 200 grams of water. So NH2CO, NH2 is the urea molecular formula students. In this problem, students, water is the solvent whose molar elevation constant, that is nothing but Kb, is given 0.56, and the mass of the solute urea is the solute whose mass is given as a 6 grams, and the solvent water mass is given as a 200 grams. Now we should calculate the boiling point of the solution. So students, first we can write the given problem. This is the given problem students. So the given problem is, so this is problem number 5. This is our problem number 5. The molar elevation constant of water is 0.56 Kelvin kg per mole. Calculate the boiling point of solution made by dissolving 6 grams of urea. Students, NH2CO, NH2 is the molecular formula of urea in 200 gram of water. So students, first we can write the given data. Solution for the given problem is given mass of the urea, that is solute. Given mass of the urea, that is solute, WA is equals to mass of the urea, WA is equals to 6 grams, and mass of the water, in this problem water is the solvent, mass of the water WB is equals to mass of the water is equals to 200 grams. And students, the boiling point, we should find the boiling point of the solution. So students, the boiling point of the solution we should calculate. The boiling point of the solution, we should find. And students, molar elevation constant for water is given in this problem as molar elevation constant for solvent water, that is Kb, is equals to 0.56. The molar elevation constant Kb value is given as a 0.56, and the molecular mass of the solute, that is urea, molecular mass of the solute urea is equals to Ma is equals to, students, from molecular formula we can calculate. So students, from molecular formula, 2 nitrogen atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms, 1 oxygen and carbon is present in the urea. Therefore the molecular mass Ma of urea is equals to 2 into 14, that is 28, plus 4 hydrogens plus 1 carbon atom and 1 oxygen atom, 16. So students, on addition of all these we get 32 plus 28, 60 grams. So 60 grams is the molecular mass of the urea. Therefore students, molecular mass of the urea is 60. Now students, we know the formula elevation in the boiling point delta TB. Elevation in the boiling point delta TB is equals to 1000 into Kb into WA by MA into 1 by WB. So students, you can substitute all the values in the above equation. We get like this. So delta TB that is elevation in the boiling point. Delta TB elevation in the boiling point is equals to 1000 into KB is given as a 0.56. KB is given as a 0.56 and the WA mass of the urea is given as a 6 grams. Molecular mass of urea we can calculate it as 60 and the mass of the water is 200. Mass of the water is 200. Now on calculation we get delta TB is equals to students on simplification we can see. So 1000 into 0.56 we get 560 into 6 divided by 60 divided by 200, that equals to 0.28. Therefore students, we get the elevation in the boiling point is 0.28 degree centigrade. So 0.28 degree centigrade is the elevation in the boiling point for the given problem. Students, we know that the boiling point of pure water. So students, we know the boiling point of water, the boiling point of pure water, let it be T1, let it be the boiling point of the pure water, let it be T1 is equals to 100 degrees centigrade. Students, we know the boiling point of water as a 100 degrees centigrade, that is you can assume as a T1. The boiling point of water is denoted with T1. We know that students, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade and the boiling point of solution, let it be T2. You can assume the boiling point of solution as a T2. So students, we know that elevation in the boiling point, delta TB, elevation in the boiling point, delta TB is equals to boiling point of solution minus delta TB is equals to boiling point of the solution minus boiling point of the solvent. So delta TB is equals to boiling point of the solvent water. So the boiling point of the solution minus boiling point of the solvent, that is water, in the given problem. Therefore students, on substitution we can get the boiling point of the solution, that implies we can write like this students, T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1, therefore students, we get T2 is equals to, that is nothing but boiling point of the solution. Therefore the boiling point of the solution T2 is equals to the boiling point of the solution T2 is equals to delta TB plus 1. Delta TB plus 1 is the boiling point of solution. So delta TB plus T1 is the boiling point of the solution. Students, we know the T1 value and also we know the delta TB value. On substitution we get that equals to delta TB 0.28 degrees centigrade plus 100 degrees centigrade is the boiling point of water, 100 degree centigrade. Therefore 100 plus 0.28 degrees centigrade we get that equals to 100.28 degrees centigrade. 100.28 degrees centigrade is the boiling point of the solution. So students, we can write like this. So that equals to 0.28 plus 100, that equals to 100.28 degree centigrade is the boiling point of the given solution. Therefore the boiling point, therefore students, we can write the boiling point of the solution. The boiling point of solution is 100.28, that equals to 100.28 degree centigrade is the boiling point of the solution. Okay students, I hope you understood this problem clearly. Okay students, so students, in this problem initially we should found the value of delta TB, elevation in the boiling point, and the water boiling point we know students as a 100 degree centigrade. After that we can find the boiling point of the solution. Okay students, okay students, I hope you enjoyed this session. Students, in this video module we solve some models of numerical problems on elevation in the boiling point. Thank you students, thank you very much.